are second-year students from Buliran from state universities, taking Bachelor of Arts major in Economics. Today, we will be presenting our Barangay Development Plan Matrix. We gathered this data on March 15, 2024 in City Tungalungab, Barangay Kapinyahan, Buliran.
Mali siya ay resulta sa ako i-gather na kita sa City Tungalungab. So, ang resulta is, figure 1, illustrate that out of 66 households, there are 59.09 prevalence of problem with irrigation and 7.57% of problem with waste or garbage. Then 12.12% of poor water supply. Then 13.64% medicines for rice plants and 7.57% for lack of fertilizer. Then the data present in the figure highlights prevailing consensus among the majority of households, with an astounding 69.70% claiming that their community needs a renovation of irrigation system. Then on the other hand, a commendable 9.09% of households claims that their community doesn't need a renovation, while 21.21% adopt a neutral stance atau renovate sila or hindi pa. The next is admission.
So our vision, in the coming years, City Tunga-Tunga Barangay Kapinyahan will have large water storage tanks that collect water from streams during the rainy year, as well as an expansion of irrigation on ang mga tubig na nalikot nyo dito sa sapa. Like water, structuring, as well as an expansion of the irrigation system. And the mission, our mission, ensure water availability and agricultural growth in City Tunga-Tunga Barangay Kapinyahan through spring water storage and expanded irrigation. Our goal is to improve agricultural sustainability in City Tunga-Tunga Barangay Kapinyahan by reliable water source and implementing good agricultural practices. So this is the program. So our program, renovation of irrigation system, and our project is upgrading the irrigation infrastructure.
So this is the activities.
Activities is conduct comprehensive assessment of the existing irrigation infrastructure, repair and replace damaged pipelines, valves, and irrigation channels, install modern water filtering system for efficient water distribution, implement measures to prevent water leakage and wastage, conduct regular maintenance and monitoring of the updated infrastructure. So, para sa aming akin po sa mga dito ang ay sa mga grupo mga iba o para sa mga dito sa mga hindi na makaawas mga dito ba kung dito dito ang mga so small din distance sa
The next is the objectives.
Enhance the irrigation system to improve agricultural productivity and revenue to City Tunga-Tunga.
Tapos, ang proposed amount of time.
The proposed amount is 200,000 pesos and 1 year's renovation, which is August 24 to August 2025.
Ang kasi yung tanong is 500.
Wala sa renovation sa konserno niya, mahal. Kapag yung propose na sa tulong, need o tangti, analang daan, hindi. Kapag na ng konti, gamay na na, half-M. Kasi mga tong nga lang daan, kung mag-quality mo na, mag-renovate, mag-imo, ang kanang daan din yung gamitan ng source, kung kurang yun, mga tuwan. Gamay na lukuhan nga din yung budget. Half-M na.
And the last one is expected result. Increase water supply, improve irrigation infrastructure, and enhance agricultural output.
Para sa mga factor. Seguridad na ako.
If you're assisting, tapos, as